Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to take one more lesson of NSOs, and the name of the lesson is light, shadow, and reflection. Light, shadow, and reflection. So see, students, actually, what is mean by light? Light is one kind of energy. And because of this light, whatever the materials are there, whatever the objects are there, those are present around us, that are visible to us. यानी हम उनको देख सकते हैं. Yes or no? For example, if you sit in dark room, okay, if you are in dark room, you off the buttons of your bulb or whatever LEDs are there at home. You off the button, close the windows of your room and sit in dark room. So what happened? Are you getting the object or are you identify the objects those are present around you? Obviously no. Because there is no light in the room. If there is no light in the room, then how we can identify? Especially at night. At night, the power goes. Suddenly, the whole room becomes dark, or whole house becomes dark. Yes or no, students? And we move like a blind person. हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह कैसे चलते हैं? जैसे कि हम blind person हैं. Actually, we are not blind, but because of light. Or sometimes you know what happens? If there is no light, we behave like a blind person. Sometimes we give the dash to the objects; those are comes in middle. Yes or no? So this everything is depends on the light. If you want to see the objects, so there should be a light. For example, this marker. Yes or no, students? If you see, can you see this marker? Yeah, because there is a light. When the light falls on these objects, suddenly this object reflects the light, and due to that reflection, we can able to see the objects. Yes or no? अगर ये रूम पूरी मैंने पैक कर दी, अगर यहाँ पे लाइट का सोर्स ही नहीं कुछ और मैं खड़ा हूँ यहाँ पे, आप मुझे देख सकते हो? नहीं. Yes or no? We cannot see. So this is because of only light. So when you are in dark room, when you are in dark room, just you light the candle in front of you. When you light the candle in front of you, what happens? Suddenly, the objects are visible to you. Those are around you. जो भी objects आपके बाजू में है, वो आपको दिखाई देता है. Yes or no? So this everything is because of light. Okay, students, understood? At night, due to the absence of sunlight, it becomes dark, which reduces our visibility. Because at night there is no sunlight, and because of that, our visibility means vision. Okay, जो भी vision power है वो हमारा कम हो जाता है. Now there are two types of objects, students: luminous objects and non-luminous objects. What is meant by luminous objects? Luminous objects means those objects which emits their own light. Those objects which emits their own light, they are called luminous objects. ऐसे object जो light produce करते हैं. For example, sun. Sun is an example of luminous object. What about moon, students? Is moon a luminous object or non-luminous? Yeah, very good. Moon is an example of non-luminous object. कुछ बच्चे परेशान हो गए सर वो लाइट तो प्रोड्यूस करता है एक्चुअली सी मून डज नॉट हैव इट्स ओन लाइट इट रिफ्लेक्ट्स द लाइट ऑफ सन मून को खुद का लाइट नहीं है किसका लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट करता है सन का इसीलिए मून इज नॉट एग्जांपल ऑफ लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट एंड सेम क्वेश्चन आता है एनएसओ एग्जाम में कभी ओके Identify the luminous object. Options. Identify the non-luminous object. Options are there: sun, moon, torch, fire. So, what is the correct answer? Moon is the correct answer. Very good. Okay. Now see here. So those objects which produces their own light, they are called luminous object. And examples of luminous objects are sun, bulb, tube light. Okay, these are the luminous objects. Clear, students? And non-luminous object means those objects which do not produce its own light. They are called non-luminous objects. Clear? Non-luminous object example: moon. You can write. Now see here. These are the luminous object. Sun is an luminous object. Now see here. Any non-light emitting object is visible when light from a luminous sources falls on that object and then reaches our eyes. These objects are called non-luminous. Non-luminous objects, they don't have their own lights, but they reflect the lights of luminous object. And because of luminous objects, non-luminous objects are visible to us. अगर लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट ही नहीं होते तो नॉन लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट हम देख सकते थे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर लाइट ही नहीं रहता सन का लाइट ही नहीं रहता तो आप मुझे देख सकते थे क्या ओके सो बिकॉज ऑफ लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स नॉन लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स आर विजिबल नाउ प्लांट शूज एनिमल्स इवन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स आर नॉन लुमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स ओके क्लियर Understood difference between luminous objects and non-luminous objects? Okay, luminous objects means those objects which emits their own light, and non-luminous means those objects which do not have their own light or do not emit their own light, but they reflect the light of luminous objects. Very good. Now next one. See students, next there are three types of materials or objects. There are three types of materials or objects like transparent, translucent and opaque. Now what is meant by transparent, translucent and opaque? Now first definition about transparent. Transparent means students definition is those materials through which light can pass easily. They are called transparent materials, or we can call the objects. Simple example: air. Air is transparent. Okay, if I will stand in front of you, I am visible to you or not? Yes. Why? Because there is see, I am visible to you means you can see me. Yes, you can observe me. But even though between you and me there is a air, so air is transparent or translucent or opaque? Transparent. Very good. क्योंकि आप एयर हम दोनों के बीच में एयर है फिर भी आप मुझे देख सकते हो इसका मतलब वो लाइट पास हो रहा है एयर से yes or no? So air is an example of transparent materials. Clear? So air is an example of transparent materials. Second thing, translucent materials. Those materials through which light can pass but not clearly, they are called translucent objects. Butter paper, wax paper, these are the examples of translucent. Now one more is there, opaque. Now what is the opaque? Those materials through which light cannot pass. They are called opaque. For example, cardboard sheet. If you hold the cardboard sheet in front of your eyes, through that cardboard sheet, can you able to see the object, students? No. Why? Because the light cannot pass through that cardboard sheet. That's why you are unable to see the objects those are present in front of cardboard sheet. So this is about the transparent, translucent and opaque. So through transparent objects we can able to see because light can pass easily. Through transparent object we can see the object but not clearly because light cannot pass completely. And opaque, through that object we cannot see because light cannot pass. So this is about the transparent, translucent and opaque object. So I hope you understood here. Remaining part of this lesson will continue in our next video.